Meaning of Gulf War Syndrome.
Gulf War Syndrome.
Gulf War Syndrome.
Gulf War Syndrome.
Gulf War Syndrome. Gulf War Syndrome refers to a cluster of symptoms experienced by veterans of the Persian Gulf War in 1991. These symptoms include chronic fatigue, joint pain, memory loss, and gastrointestinal problems. There is no known cause for Gulf War Syndrome, but it is believed to be the result of exposure to various environmental toxins, such as depleted uranium and nerve agents. Studies have shown that a significant number of Gulf War veterans suffer from these symptoms, while others do not. Additionally, treatment for Gulf War Syndrome has been largely ineffective, leaving many veterans without relief from their symptoms.